I know you've got things to do. I do too. I just want to spend all my time with you. Feels so good. I'm so hard to impress. Don't leave me on this stretch alone. When I'm out at a party, I'm just excited to get home and dream about you all night long. I don't know how you got through to me. I'm so cold. It's all happening so easily. It's so hard to digest. Usually I'm best alone, but every time that you text, I want to get on the next flight home and dream next to you all night long. Maybe it's the way you remind me of where I come from, or how you make me feel beautiful. And then some. The sight of you is dramatic. One glimpse and I panic inside. I get lost in our hours, 'cause you possess powers I can't fight. That's why I dream about you all night long. All night long. All night.